Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to log out or sign out of the Notion account using the Notion application on your mobile device. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First, open your Notion app on your device, and then once you're logged into the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your name initial. In the expanded menu, you will see a log out button. Tap on that. You will then be immediately sent to the login screen or the welcome screen. From here, if you ever want to log in back to the account, you can choose one of the login options or choose the same option that you previously used while signing up for the account. So that is how you can easily log out or sign out of Notion application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.